Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we have to talk about business credit. That's right, in the real estate game, if you're a contractor, even general contractor, if you're a home decorator or designer, that's right, we have a Get Vergo card. That's right, to get your business credit, your lines of credit. It's coming. It's the fintechs. You guys have heard me talking about it for over a year, and now you can get credit different ways. And welcome to Foci Optics. Check. Stop struggling now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it.
All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you once again for being here. And today, of course, we're going to talk about getting that banking situation with lines of credit started for a different industry. But first, you can see we're on the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel page. And once again, I need you to help other people bring in that good karma by sharing the videos. And notice the join button over here on the right hand side. This is how you become a member of the channel. And as you know, if you're a member of the channel, under the community tab, there are special messages for you and 1 or 2 videos per month specifically for you. And you can be in on the Wednesday night live stream, because the Wednesday night live stream is members only chat. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, it's all about business and getting your business credit going. But this is the new way. This is not the old way where you got to set up a business accounts under your EIN number. This is the new way where fintechs are coming out. So again, you're going to have to join the wait list to get on board. And let's talk about it. This is Vergo. So this is getvergo.com. This is the new digital banking, and look who the customers are. Look who they're targeting specifically from the drop-down menu. General contractors, interior designers, home builders, kitchen renovators, bathroom renovators, architects, plumbers, electricians. By the way, this reminds me of another company that there's going to be a link down below for them as well, which is Divvy.com. This is an offshoot from it because it appears that companies now are going for specific sectors of the business industry, and they're doing what Divvy has started. Divvy's the one where you have no credit checks, you have a bank account, no problems opening up a bank account directly, and then from the revenue that you have coming in, they're able to give you lines of credit. That is the wave of the future. We've been talking about it for a year now, ladies and gentlemen. And now another company called Vergo, as you see on the screen, has now come forth. Plumbers, electricians, if you're an architect, if you're a bathroom renovator, kitchen renovator, it basically, you can see if you're in the housing business, you should be opening up a Vergo account or at least get on the wait list. Now, let's move along on why this is going to be awesome for you. Making your business finances crystal clear. First of all, this cashback points, that's fine. Everybody can have cashback points. What is major here is virtual project cards. This right here is going to be major, especially for the real estate industry. You can give out these cards to subcontractors, subcontractors, or anybody that's going to the store to go pick something up. You can give them a virtual card, and it only is going to have the amount that you want to have on the card, so you can say this is what the amount should be, that's the charge amount, that's all you have. Now notice the thing over here on the right hand side, working capital loans. This right here is going to be dependent upon a few things, which I'm pretty sure is going to happen. The thing is, the reason why I hesitated is because the working capital loans, they don't talk about on this page. So you can already figure what it's going to involve. Derivatives. Remember what I was talking about? You have a contract, you have money coming through, revenues plus a contract. Now they may say, okay, we can give you a loan, working capital loan. That helps you out greatly. And of course, you get a business debit card. That's just standard issue. But again, it's a debit card, not a credit card. That working capital loan, that's what's going to come in handy. No fee overdraft. So you don't have to worry about unexpected fees for having an account with Vergo. Once again, cash flow analytics. So they are giving you a software to help you with your expenses. And I'm going to talk about Divvy after this because that is very, very major because they do sole proprietorships at Divvy. I do not know if Vergo does sole proprietorships, but either way, you should already be set up under an LLC or a corporation. You shouldn't be operating under sole proprietorship anyhow. All right, just so you know. And once again, they go over it. Interior designers, home builders, architects, bathroom renovators, kitchen renovators, plumbers. That's who they're catering toward. And once again, no annual card fee, no credit check, no hidden fees. Smart banking. Here we are again with these virtual cards, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, you can load up the cards. That allows people to have the amount that you are allowing them to spend. And it's tracked for your project, which now means the headaches of accounting have been lessened. All right? Think about that. And again, I don't like to go over this cash back points at trade with vendors. You get cash back for gas, insurance, and trade vendors 1 point back. Fine. That's fine. That's not what we're looking for with Vergo. All right? Invoices made simple, just like Divvy. You have an invoice, you can send it to the customer can pay, it's all tracked, you now have it in the software, it makes it nice and simple for your accountant. Very, very simple for them. That is major. This is where it's going if you have a business, because this is what holds up a lot of people from business, is because they realize they have to start doing taxes, something that most people don't feel comfortable with, and they have to start paying attention to their expenses. They have to keep receipts, things of this nature. Once you start getting it electronic like this makes it very simple. So if you're an entrepreneur, these are the companies you should be signing up with. Corpay, Get Divvy, Vergo. These are the companies now coming out that you should join. Redeem points once again for travel, Airbnb. That is beautiful right there. How many people are on planes, Airbnb, and doing travel and shopping and dining, and you're automatically getting credit back, points back, plus it's a write-off? That's beautiful right there. And then of course you have a white card and a black card once this comes out. But again, down below is the link to getvergo.com. Join the wait list. That's how simple this is right now. Prepare for waiting 6 months, 8 months, who knows how long it's going to be, and they'll send you out information. So I just want to get you guys on board, who's ever in the real estate industry, plumbers, subcontractors. You should all have a banking relationship with Vergo, just like any business should have a relationship with Divvy. That is Get Divvy. Down below, I have a video on Divvy. You can always search the channel and get that video, but I just wanted to briefly go over Divvy. Is similar, except for they give you a line of credit based on your revenue coming in. They're already set up. This is already operational. This is already available to you as a business person already. As even a sole proprietor that just started last month can now get lines of credit through Get Divvy. Again, the Get Divvy link is down below. Again, I keep saying it. This is the wave of the future. Notice this say goodbye to expense reports. That is because you can run everything off your debit card with Divvy. You have the buckets already set up so that you know where the expenses go. Your accountant, CPA, whoever handles your taxes, they can go in here and it's just sitting right here. Nothing very hard in that. Then you can get lines of credit based on the revenue that you have coming in. You can send invoices out just like you could on Vergo. So this is why Divvy is major, and you do not have to be on a wait list with Divvy. This is up and operational right now. And notice they also have virtual cards, physical cards and virtual cards that they send out to you that you're able to use. So again, they're already a little further than Vergo, but I just want to let you know down below is the link. And the reason why I clicked on the products is so that you can see software integrations. That way it automatically goes to a few of the accounting softwares that's already available. So once again, it's automated. You have rewards with Get Divvy as well. And guess what? It costs nothing. It's free, ladies and gentlemen, as long as you use their software. There's nothing else to this. And notice the business credit in the upper left over here. All right. Spend management, the same thing. You can put on your virtual cards or the real cards. You can put an amount on there for people to spend. So therefore, you're not just giving somebody a blank credit card like in the old days where a person, a company would give somebody a card and it had a definite amount on there. No, you can change that now. So again, Vergo, Corpay, Divvy, they're all in the same ball game right here, except Divvy's the only one that's operational right now. Corpay has just started. I've done a video on Corpay, so you guys can search the channel and check that one out too. Now, there's other links down below in the description that may or may not have to do with business credit, but A to B, no credit check, no qualifying to get a fuel card. There's other ones down below. Check the links. Capital on tap. Your new business. You need some funding. See Capital on tap. Tons of things. All right. And if you have any questions, you can always make comments down below in the description. And I want to thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you for being here. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. And that's why we have to attack at all angles. No matter how you slice it, you have to get the assets. While you're getting the assets, you have a business. And you should be running a business as well. So therefore, if something ever comes up and you need a duffel bag of cash, well, credit is just as good as a duffel bag of cash. But if I'm hoping you're going to be buying an asset that pays you with that duffel bag of cash, because then you're compounding yourself into being very, very wealthy. So you have the tools, ladies and gentlemen. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.